Hello, students. How are you today? It's time for our lesson in grammar. Please prepare your reader's and writer's notebook, English copybook, and your pen. Our objectives for today: define comma, discuss the uses of comma, and add commas to sentences. Let us first check your homework. Please open your reader's and writer's notebook on page 236 and kindly check your answers. Write present, present participle, past, or past participle to identify the principal parts of the underlined verb. Number 1. What defines genius? The underlined word is the word defines. Defines is in present tense. Number 2. A genius offers a fresh view. Underlined word, offers. Answer, present. Number 3. Often, the public has rejected ideas of genius at first. Underlined words are has rejected, past participle. Number 4. After time has passed, we understand what was offered. Underlined words has passed, past participle. Number 5. People recognized Leonardo's genius at once. Underlined word, recognized, past. Number 6. He concealed many of his ideas in journals. Underlined word, concealed, past. Number 7. Today we are studying them. Underlined words, helping verb are, and the word studying, present participle. Number 8. Many of his ideas have appeared as inventions. Underlined words have appeared, past participle. Number 9. His ideas waited for the right time and place. Underlined word, waited, past. And lastly, we acknowledge his genius gratefully. Underlined word, acknowledge. Answer, present. Write the sentence using the principal part of the underlined verb indicated in parentheses. Please check the answers from numbers 11 to 15. And now, we're going to start learning the lesson of the day. Student, please take a quick moment looking at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you're right. These are 4 punctuation marks. We have the comma, period, exclamation point, and question mark. Each punctuation mark talks about its usage. Today, we are going to focus in one punctuation mark, which is called comma. What is comma? Commas can clarify meaning and tell readers when to pause. Let us now discuss the uses of comma. Number 1. Use commas after each item in a series except the last. Example: Poets pay attention to the sounds, meanings, and emotions of words. The audience applauded, cheered, and stood up. Number 2. When you speak or write to someone, you may use the person's name or title. This noun of direct address is set off with a comma, or two commas if it is in the middle of a sentence. Example: will you read some more, Mr. Barry? I'd love to. Children, if you aren't tired of sitting. Number 3. Appositives are noun phrases that describe another noun. They are set off by commas. When the noun preceding the appositive provides sufficient identification on its own, use commas around the appositive. Example: Ted Kooser, a wonderful poet, lives in Nebraska. And lastly, put a comma after an introductory word or phrase such as yes, no, well, of course, or in fact. Example: no, I haven't read the new book. As usual, I'm too busy. Commas separate ideas, add pauses, and help you to list things clearly. They also let us connect words, phrases, and clauses together to make longer sentences. In fact, the comma is one of the most important and commonly used types of punctuation. Please answer your Reader's and Writer's Notebook on page 410. Please pause this video and take time to answer. Please check your answers if you got them all correct. For your homework today, please answer your Reader's and Writer's Notebook on page 445. That's all for today. See you again next time and have a good day.